Here are the top 20 reasons why the ADT Services Agreement is often viewed as not beneficial to the consumer and heavily one-sided in favour of the company, based on common contract terms, customer complaints, and reviews from sources like BBB, ConsumerAffairs, Reddit, and ADT's own legal documents. 1. High early termination fees. Consumers face charges of up to 75% of the remaining monthly monitoring fees if cancelling before the contract ends, often 36 to 60 months, making it expensive and punitive to exit even for valid reasons like moving or poor service. 2. Long-term commitment required. Standard contracts lock users into multi-year terms, for example 36 months or longer for financed equipment, with no easy opt-out, prioritising ADT's revenue stability over consumer flexibility. 3. Severe limitations on ADT's liability. The agreement caps ADT's liability to a tiny amount, often 10% of the last 12 months' charges, or $500, whichever is greater, even in cases of negligence, system failure during a break-in, or fire, leaving consumers with minimal recourse for significant losses. 4. No warranties provided. ADT explicitly disclaims all warranties, including implied ones for merchantability or fitness for a particular purpose, meaning the system and services come as is, with no guarantee of reliability or performance. 5. Binding arbitration clause. Disputes must go through mandatory arbitration instead of court, limiting consumers' rights to a jury trial, class actions, or public proceedings, which favours ADT by reducing legal exposure. 6. Automatic renewal provisions. After the initial term, contracts often auto-renew month to month unless cancelled with advance notice, for example 30 days, potentially trapping users in ongoing billing if they forget to act. 7. Right to unilateral price increases. ADT can raise monitoring fees after the first year, and while consumers can object and cancel without penalty in some cases, this still gives ADT significant control over costs. 8. Difficult and frustrating cancellation process. Many customers report long hold times, repeated transfers, inconsistent information, and pressure tactics when trying to cancel, making it feel deliberately obstructive. 9. Potential for misleading sales practices. Complaints frequently cite high-pressure sales, unclear disclosures about long terms or fees, or upsells that hide the full financial commitment.